Hey, this is Eran Stern, and in this short tutorial I want to share with you some tips regarding the usage of the Boldly Go template. This template can be used for a science, technology, or maybe some space exploration program. First, it's highly recommended to install the included font. This will convey the graphic message ideally. When you first open the project, you will see a bunch of layers, and the current time indicator should be at this place just above the titles that needs to be changed. All the layers names here indicate the content and the effects that are being applied. The main element here is the star system layer. This layer is based on the BCC particle array 3D effect. Those star layers have some texture, and if you move your playhead to somewhere else in this timeline, you can see it for yourself. If you want to change some settings in these textures, just double click the sphere texture. This is the composition that is used to create those stars. So double click on it. There you will see an adjustment layer with the BCC sphere and levels gamma effect, and underneath there's the fractal noise BCC effect. And of course you can modify it to taste. So for example, if I'm going to change the scale X here to some other numbers, we will get a different kind of texture. So just play with it according to your needs. Let's return to the main composition. And just so you know, the camera animation in this scene is controlled using this camera orbit null. So if I'm going to select it and press U, we can see all the keyframes and you can modify them to your needs. Now in order to change the text, just identify the cyan layers. In this case we have two titles, the main and the tagline. It's always a good idea to modify them when your cursor, your current time indicator, is just above those markers I've prepared. So just so you see how easy it is, I'm going to edit the first text by pressing on the edit text under the BCC extruded text. And let's say something else here. Let's say space, and then click apply. This will change the main title over here. And the tagline is a regular After Effects text, so just double click on the letter T here in the timeline and then just write whatever you fancy. I'm going to say here the final frontier and press enter on my numlock keyboard. And that's about it. Now before your final render, just place the CTI in a couple of places to verify that everything is according to your expectation. So I'm just going to move a couple of frames just to verify that everything is in order, and I think it is. So just to give you a rough estimate, this project took 20 minutes to render on my 4 years old Mac Pro machine.